Now, we've all fallen out with our family every now and again, but usually we forgive, forget and move on. But that's not what happened here at Nevern Castle. The family feud that existed here is legendary. Back when the Normans were trying to rule this land, there was a mighty and powerful leader here in South Wales, and his name was the Lord Rhys. He was a very clever politician, and he had come to an agreement with the King of England, Henry, at the time, that meant peace reigned in the area of Dyfed. To ensure this peace, he married his daughter Angharad to the local Norman Baron of Cemmaes, William Fitzmartin. He gave them Nevern Castle as a wedding present, and the young couple lived here happily for many years. All was well for a while, but when the King of England died, the Lord Rhys decided to revolt against the crown, and under the advice of his son Gruffydd, he attacked Nevern Castle and evicted the young couple and placed Gruffydd in their place. But it wasn't long before Rhys and Gruffydd fell out, so Rhys got rid of Gruffydd and placed his other son Maelgwyn in his place. But it wasn't long before Maelgwyn fell out with his father and met Rhys in a battle and fought him, and in the end imprisoned him in the tower of the castle. Now the Lord Rhys had another son, Hywel, who eventually decided to rescue his father and burn the castle to the ground. But what happened to William and Angharad? Well, they moved to a castle just down the road in Newport, and they lived happily ever after.